In this lesson, we're going to be going over Textmate, which is the editor of choice for this course on the Mac. Like I mentioned last lesson, you don't have to use this, of course. You can use any type of editor that you prefer. On Windows, you could use something like eEditor, which is the equivalent of Textmate for Mac. It's just as good as Textmate, but it's for Windows. And I'm just going to be giving you kind of a brief, really quick overview of TextMate just so you know some things about it as I'm doing things. So the first thing I want to kind of show you is, let me close out of this, they have templates, and I'm just going to open up an HTML template here. And don't let any of this scare you. We'll learn what all this stuff is. But there's the template. Here's um, your lines of code. A lot of times you'll see errors, or if you try to validate this text, it'll say there's an error on line 4 or line 8. That's what this is over here. And there's a lot of options. I'm not going to go through all of them because that's not the point of this. One of the great things, really the best thing about TextMate, I think, is the bundles, which are extensions that you can install into TextMate. Here's an HTML bundle, and I can go here and head element and click head, and it'll insert a whole bunch of a whole snippet in here. So you can do a lot of that. Frequently, you will see me typing things out, and all of a sudden, magically, all this HTML appears. Like if I type in table and hit tab, there's my table. Or if I hit H1 and hit tab, there's my H1 tag. And by the way, if you're freaking out because you don't know what this is, we will learn what all this is here in a little bit. I'm just showing you that sometimes I'll be typing, I'll type in link, and all of a sudden, oh, there's a pop-up, there's a link. So you're going to be seeing a lot of that. And all of that is located in the bundles. And again, the same thing with the e-editor on Windows. And you can actually go, like for the HTML, if I want to find an H1 tag, it actually will show you here that little arrow with the line means tab. So if I type in H1 and hit tab, it'll put that there. If I hit P and hit tab, it'll put that there. Watch this. I'll go ahead and show you. So if I hit P and hit tab, there it is right there. So it's a lot of great quick shortcuts for writing HTML, and you'll see me use them frequently. And I really encourage you to look at them, see what you can use. You can even create your own. I've created a Joomla bundle that makes it very easy to create Joomla templates and things like that rapidly.
Now, Rick, I got a question for you.
Yeah.
I know that these bundles are great and it saves time, especially an experienced coder like yourself. But for beginners, the ones who are watching this tutorial, would you suggest that they use them at first, or would you suggest that they try to learn the actual code before they use the bundles?
Yeah, that's a good question. Well, it's good to get used to typing it because, for instance, if you're in Joomla or Drupal or WordPress and the admin editing an article, you're not going to have the comfort of TextMate to where you can just type in table and hit tab and boom, there's all my HTML that I need. So it is good. It would be good if you're used to just caret P and then text here and then closing out that paragraph. It would be good to get used to that. But as soon as the principles are understood in the following lessons that are coming very soon, I see no problem with them using something like that, as it just helps you write faster.
Yeah, that's good.